your touch, your love, it's wild. What a love can make someone crave so much. I never thought that I'd need somebody like this, and I never thought that I'd lose myself this soon. No, I don't